Hello everyone, welcome back to Immerse Electrical Engineering. Today's tutorial is all about understanding how to wire 3 lamps controlling one gang two-way switch 2 and then one gang one-way switch. So as you can see, I'm here to teach you the wiring, how the wiring goes. So first of all, the materials that we need for the wiring is 1.5 insulation cable, which is PVC 1.5 insulation cable, which is red and then black, or if you like, you'll be using brown and then blue, which is the current uh, color coding that they are using. So please, let's move on to the wiring. So first of all, we need our 1.5 insulation cable. So this is my 1.5 insulation cable. This is my 1.5 insulation cable. So we are taking our power supply first. So this is the place where my power supply will be coming from. So what we need to do now is to take our power supply to this place and then bring it here. So we are connecting our one gang two-way switch first. One gang two-way switch first. So the power supply, some will be coming here from the one gang switch, one gang one-way switch. So we'll be looping our power supply. So this is how it goes in this place. So here. So now we have our power supply here. And then we are looping something here. And then we are bringing it to where we are going to connect our power supply. So this is our destination of reconnecting our power supply. As you can see, this is our power supply. And then what we need to do is to bring our switch cable, because the question says lamp A and then C are controlling to be controlled in one gang two-way switch 2. So this A and then C is controlled here from one gang two-way switch and then from one gang two-way switch, and then this B is to be controlled to this switch here, which is one gang one-way switch. So what we need to do is to take our switch cables. So now I'm connecting my switch cable. This is how it should be. I'm connecting my switch cable. So my switch cable from lamp A to lamp C. So I'll loop the cable. I'm looping the cable like this. So this is how it should be from lamp A to lamp C, and then I'll bring it here to my one gang two-way switch here. So this is how the connection should be. So here is it. Because what the question demands us to do is the same thing that I'm doing it. So this is our switch cable. This is my switch cable. So the switch cable is controlling this lamp A and then lamp C. And then now the question says lamp B is to be controlled here in one gang one-way switch here. So I need to take my switch cable from this place, lamp B, to my 3x3 patterns box here, which is So here to be controlling one lamp, the one gang switch one way is controlling lamp B, and then the one gang two-way switch 2 is controlling lamp A and then lamp C. So I hope you understand the question. So as you can see, we are done with this place. I'm connecting my stripers wires, my stripers cable. So from 3x3 package box, which is one gang two-way switch, we are just taking our stripers from this place to this 3x3 package box here. So from this place to this place here, which we are using 2 cables for our stripers connection. So I'm measuring it, then I'll cut it. So we are using 2 cables for our stripers. So that is it. This is how the connection goes. Yeah, so now as you can see, I've connected. So here we have 3 cables here, the power supply and the switch cable, and then here we have our power supply, we have our switch cable here, and then we have our stripers cables, which is the 2 cables. So we have 3 cables here, and then the same thing too applies to this place. We have our power supply here, and then we have our stripers cables here, which is 3 cables here. So now as you can see, we are done with the switch cables and then stripers cables and then our power supply cables here. So we are done with this place. So we need to connect our neutral cable. So I'm about to connect my neutral cable here. So as for the neutral, it's common, so we'll be looping it. Okay, so from the power supply, the neutral power supply, to our lamp circular box here. So this is my circular box here, as you can see, and then I will loop from the circular box to the circular box B. So the wiring is just simple, unless you obey. If you obey the instructions, you are good to go. So this question is similar to the question that the energy commission people are giving you. If you obey the instructions, you can do and then you pass your energy commission examination. Okay, so this is how it goes, the wiring goes. Okay, so now we are done with our connections. Everything is intact. So if you want to pass your energy commission examination, you make sure you obey their instructions, and then you make sure your measurement for the trunking and then the circular box is intact, and then your 3x3 package box is intact, and then you'll be good to go, and then they'll pass you freely. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, and then comment. Thank you very much for watching.